not selling your books directly yet. Why? Is it because you don't want to know who your customers are? Is it because you hate money and would rather give it to distributors? Is it because you don't know what it is? Well, after this video, you'll have no excuse, because today on Lulu University, we're not only going to tell you what direct sales are, but we're also going to tell you the solutions that it can offer your author business. Yay! What are direct sales anyway? Direct sales just means that your readers are coming to you to buy your book rather than a third-party retailer like Amazon. And I know, they're the little guy. I'm not here to make fun of them. But when you sell through a third-party retailer, you can't see who's buying your book and you have to give them a cut of your revenue. Now, if you're already using a third party to sell your book, that's just fine. You should think of direct sales as another tool in your author tool belt that just happens to be cooler and better than all your other tools. What solutions can direct sales offer you? First up is better cash flow. So by selling direct, you can have access to your funds within 24 to 48 hours, and you can make more revenue per sale. Direct sales can also help with inventory management, because there is none. If you use a solution like Lulu Direct, then we can automate the print and fulfillment of orders coming through your website. Next up is customer data and insights. So when you sell directly, you have access to who is buying your books. This can be transformative for your author business because you can use this information to reach out to your customers, build relationships, and grow your email list. Customer insights and data can also help you identify your superfans and build your community. Last but not least, selling direct can offer brand continuity through options like white label shipping. So white label shipping just means that your readers get your book in the mail and it has your branding on the packing slip. So no one even has to know you know about Lulu or you're working with us. Meet your new side piece, Lulu Direct. All right, how can you start incorporating direct sales? Well, step one is get a website. Why don't you have a website yet? It's 2024. Dogs have websites. Get a website. Once you've done that, the most low-tech way of selling direct is buying your books in bulk and hand-fulfilling orders that come through your website. So this, of course, means that you're paying upfront for books, you're managing inventory, and you're taking multiple trips to the post office. If only there was a better way. Oh, Lulu Direct. Lulu Direct integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, but if you built your website on a platform outside of those mentioned, then you can also get all the benefits of direct sales using our print API. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Once you've connected your store to Lulu Direct, upload your books, set your shipping rates. We have tutorials on how to do all of that. Order a proof copy. You know how important that is. And then start selling. Now you have no excuses. Go forth and sell direct. Head over to lulu.com today to create your free account and get started. We'll see you next time.